Sometimes it reverses right away, the opens trapped you, and it does it almost every single day. Sometimes don't trade that first few minutes. Just read the first few minutes. And those 5 minutes can tell you everything you need to know about where the stock is going for the rest of the day. It's the single most important skill that you can learn as a new trader. Most important skill you need.
It is your 5-minute opening range trade. We often sit there, the market opens up, we get all that feel, and we're like, oh my God, the market's going up, the market's going down. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna punch in long, I'm gonna punch in short, I'm gonna wait for something to develop. Right here, do not trade the first 5 minutes between 9:30 and 9:30 a.m., 9:35 a.m. if you're looking for a 5-minute opening range. You gotta give it at least that 5 minutes of work, right? So here we go. Read them to predict the day's trend. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to scalp in and out of a trade based on the opening range trend, all right? Impulse buying, win rate. Never a good idea. It's like you jump right in there, you think something's gonna work, you impulsively buy it. That's not what we're trying to do. We're trying to technically build up a strategy. And here we go, opening range break plus RVOL, relative volume breakouts. That is a win rate that we can get behind. So let's have a quick look at what we're talking about. The first 5 minutes, and I'm gonna show you an example right after this. You're gonna mark down the highs and lows of that opening first 5 minutes. And we're just gonna use 1 minute candles to do that, right? The first 5 minutes, let's find the highs, let's find the lows. That's what you gotta do right there. It's no problem, hands off. Just mark them down. Put those lines up, we'll show you in a couple seconds. Then you're gonna make sure that there is a good amount of volume in your name, right? The relative volume, we have greater than 1.5, as long as it's really greater than 1. You wanna have more volume than what the stock normally trades with, and you can get a good idea of that in the pre-market to see if there's any action. But more importantly, I'm gonna show you again, it's that breakdown or break up. That's the volume that we're looking for. Then you're gonna look to execute that trade. So the minute that that range has been violated, either to the north side or the south side, we enter that long or short, okay? So we gotta make sure that we are outside the boundaries. And then of course, you can't be a day trader, you can't be a trader period if you don't manage risk. And I think that with the studies that we've done, 2 to 1 is what we're looking for in your first range break down, out or up, okay? Here's an example here. This is on the NASDAQ. So we use something that's pretty easy. It's a triple Q's name. So this is your NASDAQ, and this is what we're looking at. Right into here, this is your first 5 minutes. So we open up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the bars right into here. So this is your opening range, all right? We're either looking for a breakdown, which winds up happening, or a breakout, which also winds up happening here as well, okay? So right into there. You wanna watch out for that first little candle there, the up and down. Remember, we have auctions that happen right away in the morning. So we wanna give it that first 5 minutes. And this is the range that we're talking about. Well, what winds up happening is we set our goal. Does it break higher? No, it doesn't. It breaks down. We volume check down here as well. We have an extended volume. We actually have more volume right there than the opening candle on the first 5 minutes. So yeah, it's a little more than 1.5. It's almost double your last candle right there. So the relative volume, we give that one a checkbox. What are we looking for next? The signals. Well, there's the breakdown. So that's our entry. And there it is right there at 674.35 is where we hit the short. Then we set our stops. We go 2 to 1. So if the move down, if our stop out is gonna be at the top of the day's break, that's 67.20. So that's about $2. We're looking for $3.50 to $4 on the way back down in. So 674, $3 is right down here at 671. So that's our target. What winds up happening is we put our stop loss in there for 1R. That's it. That's the 1R range. So there we go, 676.25. That's our stop. Matches with that level. Perfect. The way down, there's our win rate, 676.70, 676.25. And where does that get hit? Right into here. So it doesn't take you too long to make this 2 to 1 trade. But the best part about all of this is you have to place your entry signals, which is we've gotten right here with these 2 bars. Then we've got our stop loss, which we've got at the top of the 5 minute range. And then the profit target is given to us by 2 to 1 based on our stop. So, but this is an easy way. Again, it's the opening range break. Give it 5 minutes, let the trade settle down, then make your decision. In that 5 minutes, it gives you enough time to see what the market's doing and get yourself comfortable with the trade that's ahead.
So everybody out there, draw the opening range tomorrow at 9:35. get it out there, see how the rest of the day plays out, and let us know. Like, post screenshots in the comments for us, DM us, let us know how it goes for you guys. So it's all about reading that first open and getting an idea of where it's going to go. Patience is a virtue.